Hi, it's Brett again, and today I'm in the kitchen doing a KidneyClenz Smoothie. Now this smoothie is for your kidneys to help rid your body of excess toxins and acids that accumulate that your kidneys have to deal with. It's also designed to help protect and stimulate kidney function. So what we've got is a combination of ingredients here for your kidneys: some parsley, some celery, which is both very alkalizing and diuretic, and a lemon or an orange you can use, and I've also got some cranberries. Now these cranberries you can use fresh or dried, so I've used dried cranberries and I've been soaking these in some water for about half an hour to get them to swell back up like fresh cranberries. And I've also got a bit of ginger, or you could use a bit of honey to sweeten it, or to enhance the taste if you like. And this smoothie can be used on your BodiTune, your BodiClenz, or your Ultimate Herbal Detox, or even on your slimming program. So really it's suitable for all programs. But today I'm going to make it up with some BodiClenz powder. Okay, let's walk you through this recipe. I've printed this one off, by the way. You can do that on the website really easily. Okay, so what we're going to do is chop up the leafy things first, because they always go in the bottom of the blender so the heavier things can drop down. Just a quick chop, you don't have to dice them up or anything. A couple of chunky bits. So there's the parsley. The parsley is a really good kidney tonic, helps dissolve stones and clear the kidneys. Celery, same thing there, just quick chop. That actually alkalizes the body really well and helps the kidney function. Same with the lemon, just a couple of quick chops with that, and you go with that. And next we've got the ginger. So this is, I recommend fresh ginger, but if it's frozen you'll need to thaw it out, and you only need about 3 slices. You may want to use honey instead of ginger, depending on your taste. Both of those things will help to just sweeten it up a little bit. And then the cranberries. And what we're going to use today is BodiClenz powder, but you can use your BodiTune powder with this, or any other protein powder that you might have. But the BodiClenz and KidneyClenz are really perfect together, because what we're trying to do is get that build up out of your body. Alright, now we're going to put in about 200 mils of water. And what I've got here is, this is the Alka jug that alkalizes, mineralizes, ionizes the water. It's fantastic for filtering your drinking water. I recommend that for all of your smoothies. You get the best out of it and detox your body of anything that's potentially in water as well. Alright, let's blend this up. This is the amazing ladyship. Watch how it just disintegrates everything. I've slowed that down so you can see what it does. But that's literally 5 seconds there. And then we'll give it about 30 to 40 seconds in the blender to make it nice and smooth. Awesome, there you go. That's the KidneyClenz Smoothie. You'll enjoy this one. Fantastic. There you go. Cheers.